Okay everyone, it's Saturday morning. I'm going back up to get this next 6.3, the grey one, the big grey one. I'm going to go and get the Land Rover, have coffee with my mum, and I've got the van, as you can see in the background there, all packed up. That's got a compressor in it, the generator. Because this one I'm going to have to lift, just like the other one, but this one does stay up for a while. And I've brought a spare tyre with me because the front right is split on that car, so I put a spare tyre in. I'll bolt that sucker on now. I'm going in this guy down to the coffee shop. They bring the coffee out because there's still that COVID-19 thing going on, so I'll go and have coffee with my mum, keep her happy, and then get going this morning. So I've got to buy another come along and some more chain and stuff, just to have as backup, and then we'll show you what's going on.
Willie Madison here. Probably wondering what I'm doing on John's channel. Hey, what's that handsome young fella doing on this channel? Well, I'll tell you, I'm John's right-hand man / business partner. Just kidding, but we are friends. And today we are on our way to pick up the second rescue Mercedes that John has picked up from this guy's property. John is behind me. You can see any of that? Yeah, well, he's behind me. You'll take my word for it. Yeah, pretty fun heading out to this guy's property. It's always fun doing these adventures with John because he's always in such a chipper mood, you know? Rightio. Hey, let's go get the old Merc, Will. It'll be a blast, mate. We'll have a great old time. Yeah, he's always in a good mood. So, it's a beautiful day out here.
Okay, we got some keys here. We're going to try the keys. He had trouble with this one. It looks like a 108, 109 key. But you want to come in, Will?
Yeah, let's get an inside shot.
This door's a little sticky. You want to come this way?
All right.
All right. So, no, this one is for Tonya, apparently. It's the black one. So that's probably that other 6.9. No. No, and this is a laser cut key. I don't think this is, no, that's not even going in. Last one. It's a beautiful thing.
Hey-o!
We got key.
And now what? We're gonna have to play some shuffling around here.
Yeah, we've got to shuffle some cars. We've got that one.
We're gonna have to move that one.
That's
tug that one aside.
126 out the way.
And then
numbers will.
And then get the 126 out, and then we got this bad boy.
Yeah.
That
6.9 now. So do you wanna pull the thing out?
Yeah, pull around and you film that.
There you go.
All right.
Edit that part out. Okay. And while he's doing that, all right, next thing I'll do is pull that front right wheel off and put a good tyre on there. I've asked Richard see if he's got one lying around here. I'm sure he has somewhere. There's so many things here. Okay, we're going to pull this 126 out of the way. That's good.
I like to use the when moving vehicles without a key, the classic double Dutch rudder knot.
Is that a rudder knot?
Seems to be the double Dutch rudder knot. It is.
That's bullshit.
It is.
Or it's true, or it's
It is true, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Take your word for it. Okay. Go on. It's coming. I pulled that up, no problem. Alright, we'll just pull this 116 backwards a few feet, probably about 10 feet or so. Will, I reckon about 15 feet will do it. Alright? So keep your ear out because I'll shout. All right?
Okay.
This one will go on there. giving near that, so to make the journey. I'll put this one in the trunk. You don't have to film this, Will.
No, it's precision.
Is it?
Look at this movement, ladies and gentlemen.
Just like I just
Back and
moved.
forth. You think CrossFit's a good workout? Come pull some Mercedes out of the mud.
Exactly. That was knackering last week.
Yeah. Knackering away. You know what my old boss used to tell me? Hammers, not hands.
Well,
Just...
well, you don't work for him anymore. All right.
Ooh, look at that move. Clip up top. There you go, roll her on down.
All right.
There he is, hooking up we got the generator and the compressor, going to the air suspension. The little tank up here. It's a little tricky to get on.
There you go.
There he goes, I heard it connect.
Okay. Getting there.
Alright, jumping her on.
Slow. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we're having a little scout around the property before we go. What we got here? We've got, it's not a, hold on a minute.
Look at this bear.
Oh yeah. That's not a VW in the back there, is it, that van? No, it's another, are they internationals or something? What's that? Wow. Look at that thing in the back. What the hell's that thing?
That's a cool looking wagon.
Wow. Never seen anything like it.
An old fire truck?
That's a Jeep, isn't it? That thing, Traveller or something?
I have no
Is
idea.
this some kind of Jeep or something? No idea what that is. Wow. Look at that, Will.
Oof.
That is... Look, they're all down here, look. What a really unusual truck. No idea what that is. Huh.
What's it say on it?
What's that? All-wheel, 1200.
Not even... There's nothing even on the back.
That's probably a really rare truck.
Uh-huh.
You know.
It's gotta be super rare. And look at the... I mean, that thing was made for work, utility.
Yeah. A work truck, so storage, and you got a work crew, you know, 4 doors. I'll get a still shot. We just thought we'd take a little look. This is another 116. I didn't even see this. This has been gutted, so I don't know whether it's a 6.9 or not, but my gosh. No, it's a 450 SEL. There's a key in it. Alright, and then there's 2 other 6.9s down the back wheel. No, I haven't. I've got 3 of them. See, look at this chrome grille though, see? Look at that chrome.
I know.
The chrome is beautiful.
Is it because it's been out of the sun?
I guess. No direct sunlight. And this one too. This is in pretty good shape.
Do you need any of these?
They're just... Yeah. These are off of these cars.
Yeah.
These lenses. I'm going to ride on the running board.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah. Okay, go.
The regular Tom Clancy.
Yeah.
All right, hit it.
Go on in. Well, not too fast.
Watch the trees.
A little dynamic. Just don't roll over on me. That's it. Fucking hell.
All right.
Little side shot here. Not through the bush again.
No, right.
Oh, bloody hell. I lose me out. Hold on. Hold it, stop.
Oh, you lost your hat?
No, it's come off. Hold on. Alright, go on in.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go on. That was kind of a fun day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wheels in the Tonka truck. Stuck on?
You're high centering. There's a valley.
Oh, so I've got to turn more that way?
Either come this way more. Yeah, try coming towards me more.
Ready?
Yeah, hit it. Or keep getting stuck, so he's gonna hit it with a little speed on the right hand side.
Okay, we decided to have the Land Rover pull it first section. And we'll take over with the van once we get it on the flat area where the staging area is before. Nothing's easy. Alright, so we're at the obligatory North Columbia Schoolhouse shop. We got the 6.3 on the trailer. Thank you to Will Madison, stand-up comic extraordinaire. Yeah, it went all well. Got some fun parts as well. It's on wooden blocks. Well, most of it. This one is not wooden blocked yet on this side. We've got that wooden block to put in. I'll do that tomorrow morning. I'm not going to unload it tonight, Will, just because the trailer don't have to go back to about 11:30.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just see. So there you go. Nice sunset shot there. We'll get rolling, yeah. In the next video I'm going to give you an overview of the grey 6.3 that's going to Chicago. I'll give you a quick overview of that now that it's we've pulled it back to the house and that's all getting ready to ship that, guys. So thanks very much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. It's the end of the day, so beer time. Just one other point I wanted to mention. As I said, we have Facebook groups, Mercedes Maintenance and Mercedes Rescue. Rescue is for what it means, just as it says in the name, to try and pick these cars up that are left in barns and in fields and in woods and bring them back and put them back on the road, because as you know they're great cars and with a little love and attention they can be on the road again. So if you haven't seen us on Facebook, join us on Mercedes Rescue and Mercedes Maintenance, and we'd love to see you and get your input if you've got any experience with these older Mercedes, or it doesn't have to be actually older Mercedes, it can be later ones as well, but you know, tends to be the older ones. So we'd love to hear from you, and also of course you can comment below, and I'm going to try and take subjects that come up in the group from time to time and maybe make videos on them. So alright, well there you go.